Okay, we've got a frog that goes left, right, up, down. Now, I'm going to ask you to do something which at first seems incredibly straightforward, and I would expect it to be. And I don't know whether I discovered by accident somehow some sort of glitch in Scratch too, but there's a little storm looming on what looks like it's going to be a very easy task. It doesn't quite work out to be. It's solvable though, but let me explain. If my frog goes down, I think maybe I'd like it to turn around and face in the other direction. And if it goes left, maybe it should face left. And if it goes right, face right. And if it goes up, well, face the way it's facing. So what we need is this block here, pointing direction. And fun enough, when you press the arrow, right, left, up, down. Now, you'd think that if you had 4 of those, you could glue those in, and it should work. But I'm going to give you a clue. My experience tells me that doesn't quite work out the case. With a little bit of thought, you can solve it, but I'm going to leave you to see what happens. Now, you might find in your one that it works just fine and dandy, but it doesn't for me. If some of you have used Scratch too, you may remember there's something called rotation style, which is down here. But I promise you that's not relevant for this particular one. So I'm going to leave you to experiment, but ultimately what I want is for you guys to create a frog that moves up, down, left, right, and faces in the direction that it's travelling. So I'm going to leave that with you to solve. I suspect you might want to watch the video. And if you don't get a problem, I suspect you might want to watch my video, because maybe then you could email me and tell me if I'm doing something wrong. But, you know, I've done quite a lot of Scratch, and I'm fairly confident that I'm not, so it's a bit of a weird one.